Welcome to our latest unboxing video. Today, we're excited to showcase a brand new tech gadget that's been making waves in the industry. Let's take a closer look at the features of this amazing device. It boasts a high-resolution display, lightning-fast processing speed, and a long-lasting battery life. But how does it perform in real-world situations? We put it to the test with some demanding apps and games. We were blown away by the results. This device handled everything we threw at it with ease. But what about the user experience? We spent some time using this device in our daily lives to see how it holds up. And we have to say, we were thoroughly impressed. The interface is intuitive and easy to use, and the device is incredibly versatile. Overall, we highly recommend this tech gadget to anyone looking for a powerful, reliable device that can handle anything you throw at it. Thanks for joining us for this unboxing and review video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech content.